Welcome to our Diversity Skills tutorial video for students on Moodle, our new online learning platform. To get started, you need to log into Moodle through the website address. You can find the address as a URL link in the email we have sent you, which also contains your login details. You can also see the URL link in the YouTube video description below. You go to the login portal and put in your username and password. The username goes in the yellow field and the password in the white field. Then click Login. Once you have logged in, click on the specific course that you are assigned to. You will find it inside the category, such as Early Childhood. Click on the category. Now click on your assigned course, Certificate 3 in Early Childhood Education and Care. You may be enrolled into a different course, so click on your course. Once you are inside your course, you should see all your units and learning resources laid out before you. All PowerPoint slides and reading materials are available to access for all your units. However, assessments are locked until you receive a grade for its preceding unit. In short, Moodle is set up for you to follow the correct order of units, which gives structure to your learning. As shown here, every assessment after the first and second unit is locked unless you have a grade for the preceding unit, as mentioned here. Although there is an order of units, if you are an ex-Edu1Go student, the old online learning platform for early childhood education and care, you most probably will have unit assessments unlocked at various parts of the course. Please complete them in order from top to bottom. For the units you have been competent in, you should not be able to select the assessment for that unit. It is important that you don't spend time on unit resources reading into them that you have already completed in Edu1Go, so make sure you know where you're up to in the course. To download PowerPoints or learning guides, simply click on the file, as shown here. It will now download to your computer. Click on your file or find it in your downloads. The first 2 unit assessments on every course is unlocked, so you can get ahead in your course and submit assessments for 2 units as you go. As shown here, the assessment is unlocked on both first 2 units. Once you have read your learning materials and are ready to complete the assessment, click on the assessment on your course, such as here, Learner Assessment. Once you've clicked into it, download the file by clicking on the link on the top left-hand corner next to the Word document icon. Click once. It will now download to your computer. You can now open it on your computer and start beginning to fulfill the assessment. As you are completing your assessment, make sure you keep saving the progress you are making. It is recommended you back up your assessment somewhere on a USB stick, hard drive, or on email, for example. Once you have completed the assessment, make sure you are inside the course and inside the correct assessment page as shown here. CHCLEG001 Learner Assessment. You will see the Add Submission button in the bottom center. Click on that button. You can now drag and drop your file into the dotted field below. You can drag in your assessment from your computer, or you can click on the arrow and then click Upload File or Choose File. And once you go into the dialog box, you can find where on your computer it is saved, and then you can open/upload it. After that, it is uploaded to this dialog box. Click Upload this file. It will then upload to this submission page. Once you have uploaded it, click on the blue button Save Changes. You will have then successfully uploaded your assessment. In this case, I will upload an empty assessment. You can simply drag it and drop it into the box and it will upload. You can then press Save Changes. After you have saved changes, you must submit your assessment by clicking the button on the bottom. Click Submit Assessment. Once this assignment is submitted, you will not be able to make any more changes unless you go for a resubmission. Submit Assessment. Your trainer should grade the assessment in 24 hours, but if it isn't graded by then, get in touch with Diversity Skills admin staff. For your grades, you are either marked competent, meaning you passed the assessment, or you're given the in progress grade, meaning that you haven't passed or completed the assessment in full. You are given 2 resubmission allowances. If you don't pass for those 3 submissions, the first initial submission and 2 resubmissions, you will be notified of the cost of submitting a 3rd resubmission. You then click Continue. Now you can click on your course, which is in the links on the left top hand corner. This will take you back to the course. You can then continue reading resources for subsequent units. If you have any questions, please contact our staff and we'll be happy to help you. We hope you enjoy using our new online learning platform, Moodle. Thank you from Diversity Skills.